Today, we will be demonstrating how to boil chicken thighs. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. First, trim any excess fat or skin off of your chicken. Fill a stock pot with enough water to completely cover the chicken thighs and add the chicken. Place your pot of water on the stove over high heat and bring up to a boil. Once boiling, reduce your heat to low and bring water to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot with a lid. Let the chicken thighs simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. Carefully remove the thighs from the pot using tongs or a slotted spoon. Additionally, you can save your broth to use as a base for soups and sauces.